Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new 2021 Apple iPhone 13. This is the blue model, and I got it in the 128 version. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 13. I did actually pick this up, and I do actually want a 256 blue of the 13 Max, but that's unavailable right now. I did actually cancel my gold one because I didn't really like the color after seeing it in person. But this is the iPhone 13, 128 gigabytes, as you guys can see from the packaging there. iPhone, and you guys could pause that if you guys want to read it for yourself. You definitely can. It looks like they changed it up a little bit, so they have a pull tab here and they have a pull tab on the bottom. I'm going to pull the one from the bottom first because it showcases all my information about the device. So I really wanted this one because it really looks nice. This is a true blue color, and I really actually wanted to actually see this in person. I did actually go to T-Mobile about an hour ago, and it did have the lock on it, but this one is probably the most nicest blue that they have ever made. I think on camera it kind of looks a little bit purple, but it's just a little bit lighter than what you're probably seeing on camera right now. As you guys can see, here's the phone itself. Now, I did have the iPhone XR. I did pass on the 11. I went with the 11 Pro Max, then I went to the 12 Pro, and now I have the 13. But as far as the box itself, you don't get no more headphones. You don't get a jack as well, but you do get the charging cable. It looks like it's a Type C to a lightning plug, and you have one Apple sticker instead of two, and you have your SIM ejection tool. Now, I don't have my 12 Pro right now because I actually sold it. I did get a nice little trade value. I mean, a nice little chunk of change that was more than the trade value that I would get if I had got it from the store. But here we go, guys. Here we go. iPhone 13. I'm really surprised that they went with 13 because a lot of other countries don't use their unlucky numbers, and I'm very curious to see why they use 13 and they didn't just go with the 14. But this is just a really nice color, guys. Very thin. Really like it so far. We do have some new sensors on the back. That's the reason why it's a little bit wider than last year. There's a few differences when it comes to the Pro models. You do get an upgraded screen, but this one will be fine enough for me because it does have like that medium size ratio. So you do have the 13 mini, which is the smallest, then you have the 13, then you have the 12 Pro, the 13 Pro, then you have the 13 Pro Max. Let's just power this baby on and see what it looks like when it powers up. Trust me, guys, for the last 4 days I've been using the iPhone 5C, which was one of the first actual iPhones that had a blue color. So very convenient that I do have the new blue here. So very crazy. This had only 8 gigabytes of storage. Now we have a starting point here of 128, and it does go up to 256, and I believe it has a 512 in this model as well. But if you do want the 1 terabyte, that's 1024 gigabytes. They do have that for the Pro model. But here you go, guys. You have your welcome screen, and I will have some case videos on the way for you guys, so you guys can check it out if you guys want to subscribe to this channel. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 13 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Man, this one is beautiful, dude.